We're about to venture out and be picking. You ever been lost in the shroom woods? Because I have a lot. Very helpful hint.
At least you weren't naked and afraid. What do you got in there, bud?
Some sockeye fillets.
Where's that come from?
Alaska.
Oh, really? Did you rip his lip?
Yeah, we're gonna do some catch and cook today. We've already caught this, but we're gonna go catch some morels.
Here's a mushroom hack. Don't step on them.
You getting them?
Pop them like zits.
Are you getting them?
I can survey the shrooms from here. You want to be careful getting down. You never want to fall out of one of these. I know they're out here somewhere. I can feel it. Look at what we found, guys and gals. Off with their heads.
You got two little ones right there too. We're gonna leave them. You're gonna leave him and him.
We don't leave shrooms.
We don't.
Wait,
leave
that one. Yeah.
Leave that one. Yeah. Leave it right into my pan.
Leave it right into my belly. Right into my belly. Right here. Right here, right here. Right. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Oh. Don't let them get away. Quick, don't let them get away.
They're receding, they're receding.
They're falling back.
Throw them in the pile, There's more ahead, Be careful not to step on any to your left. There's like 10 of them to your left.
Oh my left.
We're in a shroom frenzy here, ladies and gentlemen. There's some under the bark. Under the bark. It's enhancing, It's getting bigger.
To your left more,
Pow, to the behind your heel. Behind your heel. Left boot. Sorry.
That one almost got away.
That one was healing you. Oh my goodness, look at what I just found here. I found another one.
And another one. And another one. And what do we got here? Oh, we got a cluster.
We're getting them now.
There's another one. Here we go. Look at that. There's another one. There's another one. Another. And another. And we'll pan ahead a little bit here. Oh, look at that.
Mother tree! The mother tree!
I could have just been like most shroomers and be like, yeah man, didn't see him. Oh, you stepped over this one. Look, right between his legs.
We're back here with the bearded shroomsman.
Getting a little satchel. They're pretty small, but they're gonna eat. A couple down here. Three banger.
I'm gonna do a quick time lapse here so I don't take up all your time. Enjoy. We'll be back to show you the satchels.
He missed that one.
What do you got there? You got some Morels, buddy? What do you got? A couple pounds?
Picking
I was army crawling out to make sure Toad didn't see me, and I got busted.
You were getting them, weren't you?
Here's our bounty. Some Homer Alaska sockeye salmon. A couple pounds of shrooms. Ruby's teddy bear. A frying pan. And some butter. Right there's one. You guys see that? Pick it. That's the first time I ever picked a shroom ferro rod. Now most everybody knows you're gonna need at least a whole stick of real butter for your Morels. Now that we have our butter melted down, we're gonna take our sockeye, we're gonna go ahead and lay them down on there, like so. We're going to season them up. Now remember guys, you can't forget there is butter in this pan, and it's a whole stick, and it is going to make it yummy. Toss her down like so, maybe a little in the butter for the shrooms there. And then we're going to take this little baggie right here, and we're just going to go ahead and lather those up on there. There's a stump. Oh, there's a leaf on there. Don't worry, Mother Nature doesn't kill you. Don't ever worry. Oh, you might want to reach over. It doesn't look like quite enough, so we'll reach over here and grab a couple more. Well, we'll toss another one on there for Brooke. There you go, Brooke. I saved you one. Bring them right up in here on the coals. Give her a few minutes, boys. We'll be eating.
Three chicks like that had 100 under one tree post.
Oh, right there's a leaf. That's extra. Remember, if you're outdoors eating food, it's extra. Flavor. Nice lip you ripped there, Jake. Dinner is served. Sit down and enjoy our feast.
I think we're gonna enjoy the bounty of our
All right,
hunt.
all right. Let's split them right down the middle so nobody cries or nothing.
Oh, you can't cry.
There's no crying in mushroom hunting.
I'm more worried about my fish.
Let's check this fish out.
Oh my gosh. Straight from Alaska.
Nice shooting, lip ripper. My goodness, dude. I apologize for eating in front of you guys like this. These torture visions are just brutal, you know.
It's so good though.
But we deserve it after the long day. We walked for miles. We got probably about 300.
Miles and miles for a couple hundred morels, and we only found them under a few trees and checked hundreds of trees.
Look at that.
My goodness. You just don't see this pigmentation in Michigan fish. Much better.
Well, thanks for coming along with me and the bearded shroomsman while we went and foraged for some wild edibles and ate some sockeye salmon, riverside.
Good day, good fun. It's all about the earth's support and what she can give you.
Till next time, stay out of my mushroom patch.